What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dalton from Coyote Classics, and this past week, Dad and I were down in Florida looking to buy some cars. We ended up with 13, so we'll have those to look at in the next coming weeks. This video is going to be a look back at the shop and the check-in department specifically, seeing what we had for new inventory come in and seeing how the guys did this week when we were gone. Hopefully you enjoy the video.
Holy, dude, this thing stays so tight too.
Just when you thought I couldn't get it out of control.
I don't know if I've been in a car with this much horsepower that handles so nice.
Holy smoke! This is something special right here, guys.
Hello, I'm Tim from Coyote Classics. This morning I brought this 72 Chevelle in. Making it look great again for you. Pretty nice car. About half done with it now. Thought I'd bring it in and get it buffed before Mike checks it in.
Hi, I'm Dustin Cole with Coyote Classics, and here checking in the 72 Chevelle. Trying to see how many rotations of the drive shaft is how many rotations of the rear end. And because both of them want to spin, but they don't want to spin at the same rate, it has a limited slip in it instead of locked solid or a one-wheel wonder. See, like I can hold it there a minute, but now I can't hold it because it's wanting to turn. We're gonna drain the radiator. It's got water in it, and so we're gonna drain the radiator out and get it so we can put new, fresh coolant in it. So we'll open the petcock and let the water out so we can start over on antifreeze. As you can see, it's mostly just water. So we'll drain it out and put 50-50 in it. When we get it all drained, we'll flush it out and let it run out. And as you can see, it just had regular water in it, so it got a little corrosion there. So we'll get it through there, cycle it up, and run fresh in it. This is just regular hot water, just to run it through and try and clean some of that old stuff out of there. Run it through a couple times and let it clean some of that stuff out of there. You can kind of tell already if you look on that, you can see where it's flushing some of that old stuff out. Just run it until it's as clear as it can be, because it's running it through that block as well.
So what I've got here is a 67 Chevelle. It's a big block car. Doing a little bit of work to it. I'm doing a lot of touch-up paint, a lot of, little chips here and there. I got some paint mixed up, making it look a little better, buffing out some small scratches. I've got a set of wheels sitting down at the tire shop right now. We ordered brand new tires for it, so we're gonna swap these wheels and tires out for something a little bit more original looking. So when Riley checked this car in, he took the drums off and he noticed that all 4 of the wheel cylinders were leaking and the shoes were gummed up real bad. Luckily, it looks like this car has brand new brake lines. It looks like a pretty new master cylinder too, so we don't have any problems there, but we'll replace the wheel cylinders and the shoes, get the drums turned, get them put back together, get them adjusted.
Looks like the boys were productive even though Chad and I were gone. Hopefully you enjoyed the little look back at the shop. Look forward to a lot of new inventory coming in the next couple weeks. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one of our cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.